Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. That way y'all can be up to date when I upload a video. Let's go ahead and get started on this DIY. Alright, so starting off, we are using these Dollar Tree Nutcrackers. And you want to make sure that you pick up the same exact ones with the same hat. I ended up picking up one that was different and I didn't even realize it until I got home. So just be careful and keep that in mind when you are buying these Nutcrackers. They all come in different styles, so just keep that in mind. So moving on, and I am removing the hair from these Nutcrackers. I think it just looks way better without the hair. I ended up going with these pink tones, and this is the order that I will be painting them, from lightest to darkest. The color paint Delta brand, that is from Target. The rest are from Walmart. And I will say this from experience, it is best to spray paint them first with a white base and then go ahead and coat them with your painting of choice, because as you can see here, it took me several coats to get them to a full coverage, and not even then, I feel like they still needed several more coats. Once I had my Nutcrackers all finished, this is how they turned out. I love how these ended up turning out. I just wanted to keep them nice and simple, but that was pretty much it for this DIY, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you do recreate this project, please tag me on my social media, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.